So over here, you can see that I have an article regarding simulation right here. But what I want is actually a summary of this particular content. In that case, you can actually go ahead and then let AI summarize the content for you. So you have a long content, then you can simply go ahead and click and drag and select it all right here and go to Ask AI right here. And then what you can actually do is, let's say, for example, utilize summarize. So I'm just going to go around over here and then go for summarize right here, just like this. And then now summarize in 30 words, let's say, for example, and I'm going to press enter. So once you do that, it is thinking, as you can see right here, and it simply summarizes this out right here, just like this. So a simulation is a real world system using models commonly executed by computers. It's used for various purposes right here, just like this. You can insert it below right here, just like this. Press enter and say something like summary right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize AI in Notion to summarize out the contents as you like as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.